In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete that second copy of WhatsApp app on your Android smartphone. Today, I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S3. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and guys. Here we have the WhatsApp app icons. The icon that looks like that is original app icon, and the icon that is marked with that sign. Is it Colby? And basically we can use that copy to sign into another WhatsApp account. However, if you don't need the copy anymore, then I'm gonna show you how we can easily turn it off. So guys, first off you need to head over to settings. That we just need to tap app icon that looks like a gear. If you cannot find it, just swipe down from the top of the screen and tap at that gear here. Both ways are moving us to the settings. Now we need just to scroll down until advanced features here. Then scroll down and here you can easily find dual messenger. This is Android that allows us to sign into a second account for some applications by creating a copy of that applications. And we need to get into it. And basically here we have for applications enabled. It means that now for copies of these apps are created on my device. If you just would like to turn off that copy for WhatsApp app, then all you have to do is just turn that double button next to just like that. It says that all data related to your second copy of WhatsApp will be deleted. However, you still be able to use your main copy of WhatsApp. If you would like to keep app data, select that option. However, now I'm just gonna top it uninstall. It will immediately uninstall the second copy of WhatsApp. And now if we head over to our home, we can see that it is now gone from here and also from our app library. Basically, guys, save this video. Don't forget to hit the like button.